Magandang araw mga boxing fans at welcome back sa Boxing Bell TV. Undefeated American boxer, 2 beses bagsak sa kamao ng batang Pinoy at nagawa pang basagin ang muka ng kalaban.
It's the 1-3 and 1 Navarro. He knows now. Down goes Rubalcaba. Depending on, oh my goodness, off of the break. Oh, throwing from way down deep. This guy, he's got piston-like shots.
Ito ang latest fight ng ating kababayan mga bossing na si Josaphat Navarro versus Luis Rubalcaba. May kartada si kabayan na 6 na panalo at sa kanyang pagdayo, 4 na sunod-sunod agad ang kanyang naitalang panalo. Samantalang undefeated sa kartada itong American boxer na si Luis Rubalcaba. 9 wins, 5 naman dito ay galing lahat sa knockout.
Defeated Luis Diamante has been a California. No surprise there.
He's using the jab as he's
Recently, and for three of his fights down in Mexico, you know, you get a lot of guys that make.
Inumpisahan nga agad ni kabayan ng magandang patama na talaga epektibo at hindi nakapagbitaw ng suntok masyado ang kalaban.
really going to need to be his strategy. He has a bit of an unorthodox stance. Wide ends there with his hands up above his...
With the jab, and certainly not backing down. I'll tell you, Rubalcaba, cool,
And, you know,
you might trying to get inside his Navarro, but ate it well.
Many fighters will counter during his attacks with his counter.
Putting some punches. Navarro putting punches together here. It's the 1-3 and 1 Navarro. He knows now. Down goes Rubalcaba. My goodness.
Bago nga matapos ang nalalabi ng unang round ay napabagsak pa ni kabayan ng kanyang kalaban.
We'll see what Rubalcaba's made of here, Christian.
A huge left hand drops in shock.
Wow, the first round comes to a close.
Kaya pagtunog pa lang ng bell para sa pangalawang round ay sumugod na ito at inupakan ng kalaban.
That overhand left dropping Luis, and now Navarro coming in deep, coming in hot, throwing combinations from every angle.
Navarro out of the Philippines, which has obviously turned out some great fighters. Checking in with Rubalcaba. Some big shots being thrown by both. Nice shot. I think Rubalcaba, as Navarro again gets in Christian, he's got to find a way to fight at range and establish the jab. But man, oh man, the output, punches and bunches.
Worked out for him so far, but if Rubalcaba's able to survive,
I could blame him after getting that knockdown. Ate a big shot.
To land big there.
Cornered here. Navarro, though, he cornered Rubalcaba. Man, Navarro was throwing just for broke here, partner. He's throwing with right in there with undefeated. He's got to do something to try and steal this round here. Getting picked apart in the final seconds. And I'll tell you, man,
onslaught from Navarro.
Halfway home in this 4-rounder, and boy, oh boy, has it been asset. But he's, you know, fireworks from Navarro if he gets the open.
Backing up now a little more, using that length, but quick, so nimble to be able to get in there and penetrate the defense in the distance. And now Navarro attacking again. Rubalcaba up against the ropes. Navarro eats a huge left hand, Todd.
Referee taking a good look at this. Rubalcaba getting teed off on. And I think he blitzes in. Does Navarro have some serious thunder? He's got some great hand speed, too.
There's no fear at all. Cerro Miedo from Navarro as he eats a left there, but he's still coming forward. Punching, be successful here from Luis Rubalcaba. Yeah, again, isolated in the corner, backed in is Rubalcaba. He's going to have to...
Some nice movement by Rubalcaba, and he caught him with a nice hook. But again, just the output of punches favors Navarro, where he has to finish in the final round.
That's right. Oh, nice shot to the body, and now upstairs down. Man, Navarro, Cava, but he's in a fight tonight.
Oh man, that was a nice right hook, and now you see the sense of Rubalcaba seeing his opening. Big lead uppercut by Rubalcaba, he needs really desperately to win this round. He's got under a minute to work here. See if he can do it.
Kind of see from Navarro a switching of stances. Sometimes he comes in a bit more orthodox. I mean, certainly he's a southpaw, but putting his hands right up to guard, and other times, widening his shoulders almost in a martial arts stance during these attacks. Very interesting fighter.
Yeah, Navarro, listed as an orthodox fighter. He will change stances. He will literally hit you from all angles. And again, now Rubalcaba finds himself in an absolute storm here again. from Navarro. Final seconds here in the third of 4 rounds inside the squared circle. I don't think it's in his nature risk. Do you get on the bicycle? I don't think.
Forward. And now, yeah, the pace of this fight is exactly.
Corona calls for the resuming of action here and eats a nice straight shot. Again, if you're Rubalcaba, you got to bite that piece and pull the pin out of the grenade.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And you're starting to see that Navarro smells to press, continue Luis Rubalcaba.
Yeah, you can see that Rubalcaba's accidental headbutt, says Ray Corona. Clash meeting of the minds there, and you can see, though, as you touched on, partner, Rubalcaba wearing a lot of
headbutt, but you know, the veteran referee Ray Corona right on tire from that headbutt.
Navarro throwing from way down deep. This guy, he's got piston-like shots.
Down the face and the nose. I think it's coming from the nose of Luis Rubalcaba.
Yeah, mouse under the left eye as well for Rubalcaba.
Keeping that distance, using the jab to push his opponent away, and then following up with combinations. I think he was just stunned from the power of Navarro.
Yeah,
nice. There it is.
Pagsapit ng ika-4 na round ay makikita natin na dito na dumugo ang kaliwang kilay ng undefeated American boxer sa lakas ng patama ng bagito nating kababayan. At bagsak nga ulit sa pangalawang pagkakataon, itong si Luis Rubalcaba.
He's got precious time left, though. Rubalcaba's got to keep the pedal to the metal here. Probably his best round thus far, and he had some good moments throughout, but it might be too little too late, depending on, oh my goodness, off of the break. I don't know.
And that's why they say, Todd, you got to defend
yes, at all times.
There was no break there. It was simply both fighters voluntarily separating for a moment, and it was a huge knockdown there for Navarro.
That absolutely might have sealed the deal there. And a big knockout late as Rubalcaba took his focus up.
Matapos ang laban ay malinaw na panalo via unanimous decision ang ating kababayan na si Josaphat Navarro.
Winner by unanimous decision. They call him Big Baby, Josaphat Navarro.
Can't say enough. Unbridled aggression. As we say in the football world, Christian, this guy's got one hell of a motor on him.
Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.